my people. Welcome back to Johnny Kitchen. Here Johnny doing her French fried chicken. And listen, look at over here. This is it, the golden brown. See it? Golden brown French fried chicken. Yeah, so what happened? This is how we're doing it. And also, I don't want to rice some things today, so I'm just doing some white rice, yeah? Some white rice with some broccoli, like that, and the gravy over here. I'm making the gravy over here. So, yeah. So this is it. French fried chicken, golden brown. Look at it. Look at the golden brown chicken. Ooh. Look, listen. Yep. It's the wing. Turn off the high. Just over here. One more. So, after the finishing touch, I will show you all my golden brown chicken. Peace out.